Before you pick up another box of hair dye, stop. There's one thing most colorists never tell you, and it's the reason some women over 60 look radiant, while others accidentally add years to their appearance with the wrong shade. It isn't about going lighter or simply covering gray. It's about choosing a color that complements your skin tone and features. By the end of this video, you'll know which shades make you glow and which ones quietly age you. Hello and welcome back to Aging with Elegance. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found us. This channel is all about helping women look elegant without spending a fortune. Today we're talking about the hair colors that truly flatter women over 60. Not what's trendy or what worked decades ago, but what enhances your beauty today. Stay until the end because the top recommendation surprises almost everyone. Before we get into it, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because every single week we bring you simple, affordable ways to look and feel your best. No expensive salons required. Alright, let's get started. Number 7. Warm Caramel. We're starting with warm caramel, and here's why it works so well after 60. Skin naturally loses some of its pink undertone with age, and caramel brings that warmth right back to your face without looking like you tried too hard. It's soft, it's rich, and it blends beautifully with gray instead of fighting it. The biggest mistake women make with this color is going too gold. Ask your stylist for caramel with a hint of chocolate underneath. That little bit of depth is what keeps it looking expensive instead of brassy. And if you're doing this at home, a demi-permanent gloss over your natural color costs a fraction of a full dye job and refreshes beautifully every few weeks. One more thing worth mentioning, caramel tends to photograph wonderfully in warm lighting, which is why so many women notice compliments picking up right after switching to it. If your hair has started thinning slightly with age, this shade also has a way of visually adding fullness, since the warm tones catch light differently than flat, single-process color. Think about the last time you saw someone with rich, sunlit brown hair and thought they looked healthy and glowing rather than simply older. That effect is almost always caramel or something close to it working quietly in the background. Number 6. Icy Silver. If you've got a good amount of natural gray already, stop fighting it and start styling it. Icy Silver, done well, reads as intentional and honestly kind of glamorous. The trick is evenness. Patchy gray looks tired, but a toned, uniform silver looks like a choice you made on purpose. A purple shampoo once a week keeps any yellow tones away, and this is one of the lowest maintenance options on this entire list, because you're not fighting your regrowth, you're working with it. A lot of women worry that silver will look harsh, but the secret is pairing it with the right skin tone. If you have cooler undertones, meaning gold jewelry looks slightly off against your skin while silver jewelry looks natural, this shade will likely suit you beautifully. And because you're not covering gray anymore, you're saving money every single month that used to go toward root touch-ups. Some of the most striking women you'll ever see on the street are the ones who embrace silver fully instead of half doing it, because a confident, well-maintained silver often reads as more elegant than any dyed color could. Number 5. Chestnut Brown. Chestnut brown is that color that makes people ask what you're doing differently, even though you haven't changed much at all. It's deep enough to add richness but never so dark that it hardens your features, which is the real risk with jet black hair after a certain age. If your natural color has started looking a bit flat and lifeless, a few chestnut highlights woven through will bring movement back into your hair without a dramatic all-over color change. This one is especially kind to women with brown or hazel eyes. If your skin has warmed slightly over the years, chestnut brown tends to sit beautifully against it, because it has just enough red in the undertone to complement rather than clash. Many stylists consider it the safest, most universally flattering option on this entire list, which is why it's such a popular starting point for women easing back into color after years of going gray or going natural. It's forgiving too, meaning small mistakes during an at-home application are far less noticeable, then they would be with something bolder like copper or platinum. It's also the color most stylists reach for when a client says she wants a change but isn't ready for anything too dramatic, since it delivers a noticeable refresh while still feeling like the most natural version of herself. Number 4. Soft copper. Copper gets a bad reputation for looking harsh, but soft copper, the muted kind, not the bright orange kind, is one of the most flattering choices for fair to medium skin. It brings warmth to the cheeks and makes your eyes pop, especially if you have green or blue eyes. The key word here is soft. Ask for a copper with brown undertones mixed in. Never a copper that leans orange, and you'll get all the glow without any of the harshness. This is also the shade I promise would surprise you. Most women assume copper is only for younger women or redheads, but a muted brown-based copper is actually one of the most age-softening colors available, because it mimics the natural rosy glow skin has in youth. Done subtly, it can genuinely make you look years fresher without anyone quite being able to say why. It's the kind of color that gets you compliments like you look so well rested, even on days you barely slept, simply because of how it reflects light around your face. Alright, quick pause. If you're finding this helpful so far, do me a favor and drop a comment telling me which color you're already leaning toward. I read every single one. And if you haven't yet, tap that like button. It genuinely helps this video reach more women just like you. And subscribe if you want more of these every week. Okay, back to the list. Number 3. Champagne Blonde. Champagne Blonde is that quiet, elegant blonde that never screams for attention, but somehow gets all the compliments. Unlike bright platinum, which can wash out mature skin, champagne has just enough gold and beige mixed in to keep your face looking warm and healthy. This shade also grows out beautifully, so you're not stuck in the salon chair every 3 weeks. It's a favorite among women who want the elegance of blonde without the upkeep of blonde. There's also a practical side to this one. Champagne Blonde blends so seamlessly with gray regrowth that many women stretch their salon visits out to 8 or even 10 weeks, which adds up to real savings over the course of a year. It's the kind of low-effort, high-reward color that looks just as polished on day 1 as it does on day 50. Pair it with soft waves rather than a sleek straight style and the whole look softens even further, taking attention away from any fine lines and putting it right on your eyes. Number 2. Ash Brown. Ash brown is the color nobody talks about, but it might be the most underrated option on this entire list. It cools down any redness in the skin and gives a soft, polished look that photographs beautifully. This one does require a good colorist, because ash tones can turn muddy if they're mixed wrong. But done right, it's timeless. If your skin has cool undertones, meaning your veins look more blue than green on your wrist, this is likely your best match. Ash brown also works wonderfully for women who want to look sophisticated without appearing severe, which is a difficult balance most dark colors struggle to strike. Pair it with soft face framing layers and it becomes one of those looks that people struggle to place an age on at all. Many women report that ash brown is the one shade that finally stopped their hair from looking brassy by the end of the day, since its cool base fights off warmth from the sun and hard water alike. Number 1. The Money Piece. Here's the twist I promised you. Number 1 isn't actually a full color at all. It's a placement technique called the money piece. A few strategically lightened pieces framing your face, layered over any base color from our list. This is the trick colorists use on their favorite clients, because it draws light exactly where you want attention, right at your eyes and cheekbones, while requiring almost no maintenance since it's just a few pieces, not your whole head. It works with caramel, with chestnut, with copper, with almost anything we just talked about. This is the detail that separates a color that looks nice from a color that looks like you had it done at an expensive salon, even if you did it yourself at home for $20. And because it's only a small section, it grows out gracefully instead of leaving an obvious line, which means you can go months between appointments and still look freshly done. If you only take one tip from this entire video, let it be this one, since it's the technique that ties every single color on this list together. Think of it as the finishing touch, the small detail that takes any of these 7 shades from good to unforgettable, and it costs far less than most women assume. Even a box dye job at home can be elevated by simply picking up a lightning kit for a few face framing strands afterward, and the difference in how put together it looks is honestly remarkable. So there you have it, 7 ways to bring warmth, light, and life back into your hair, without spending a fortune to do it. Remember, the goal was never to chase a trend, it was to find the shade that makes your own features shine. And now you know exactly how to spot it. Hair color, done thoughtfully, isn't about hiding your age. It's about honoring the face you have now and giving it the light it deserves. Confidence has always looked better than any dye on the market. And when you pair that confidence with a shade that truly works for you, the result speaks for itself long before anyone asks what changed. If you try any of these, I would love to see it, so drop a comment and let me know how it turns out. And if this video helped you even a little, please hit that like button and subscribe. It truly helps this channel keep making free content for women who deserve to feel beautiful without breaking the bank. Beauty at this stage of life isn't about turning back the clock. It's about making the most of exactly where you are. And I hope this video gave you one more tool to do just that. I'll see you in the next one.